Hello everyone, this is Amy. Standing in a long line to buy transit passes in general is the usual routine when traveling. But in South Korea, knowing a couple of quick shortcuts gets you moving in seconds. It's not about memorizing complex transit terms or navigating an intimidating checkout system. It's simply an easy, everyday way to choose the method that makes you feel most comfortable. When you step into a busy train station or bus terminal, you can choose ultimate digital convenience by using an automated ticket machine. Let's practice this standard terminal word together. Listen closely. 발매기. Repeat after me. 발매기. On the other hand, if you prefer a face-to-face chat to verify your route, you can walk right up to a service window and state your destination politely. Let's practice this essential counter request phrase, which means, please give me a ticket. Listen closely. 표 주세요. Repeat after me. 표 주세요. Using these two simple habits is a fantastic tool that keeps your transit adventures feeling completely relaxed and street ready. Subscribe to Bisset Study Abroad to unlock the next social code. Stay smart, talk happy, see ya!